Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I want to show you an overview of two crowdsourced primary source document transcription projects. The first is a new one from the Library of Congress called Crowd, and let's go ahead and take a look at what it does. So we can go and find a campaign, which is a thematic collection of primary source documents that need transcription. Let's say we choose letters to Lincoln. And then within here, there's subcategories. And within there are more subcategories. And now you can go in and find an item to transcribe. Let's choose this one. And now we see a field to go ahead and transcribe. Now if you need to zoom in, you can do so you can get a little better detail, or zoom back out. So I'm going to zoom in again so I can see that in more detail. And I'll go ahead and start typing. Now I need to scroll so I can see some more. I can make out the Springfield part there. And the next part of it, I can't quite make out. So I'm going to save that. And so now I've saved it, and I'm going to submit for review. And once I submit for review, I can go on to find a new page. If I'm registered as a user, I can also add tags to this. Now the nice thing about it being submitted for review is that someone else might come along and see, okay, this is incomplete, and they can go on and continue to transcribe it. And likewise, your students may find some that are submitted for review and are partially transcribed, and it will say continue, and they can continue where someone else has left off. Now the other project for crowdsourcing transcriptions of primary source documents comes from the Smithsonian. It's their Smithsonian Digital Volunteers Transcription Center. And you can go in and choose any one of these project categories. If I choose Civil War era, for example, I can now go down through and I can look at the various projects that need transcription. And I can choose anything that's not been marked complete. You see that one says continue transcribing. That one needs review. This one says, all of these say start transcribing. Okay. So we'll click start transcribing. And again, it's a very similar process. We can just zoom in. And try to transcribe as best we can. So we'll start with 1969, and I'll try to transcribe as best I can. And again, when I'm done with that, I can save it or complete and mark for review. So prove that I'm human and save it. Now I can go back and continue to work on that when I want to. So those are two crowdsourced primary source document transcription projects that you and your students can get involved in. As always, for more tips and tricks and tools like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com and practicaledtech.com.